Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're back out on the tree farm. It's a beautiful Monday morning and our spring work is in full swing here. So it's actually Monday, April 8th, the day of the solar eclipse, which I'm sure unless you live under a rock, it's been all over the news, and we'll see where that brings us this morning. It'll be old news by the time you guys see this, but it'll be interesting. We're just going to work through it because, well, got to keep moving. But yeah, we're not totality here. About 90% is what they're calling for, so that'll be interesting. But anyway, we're out spreading fertilizer. At least part of us. We're kind of dividing and conquer here. We have one of our hired guys helping me out. We got 2 spreaders running. Everybody else is out planting trees. I'll be sure to, in the next few days, get you out and so you can see how we actually plant the seedlings. But today we're spreading fertilizer. So we're getting down there now. It's almost lunchtime. I figured I'd pick up the camera. We load up these 1-ton pallets of fertilizer and we bring them out into the field. And we're spreading triple 15 fertilizer with a micronutrient pack and some gypsum as a carrier. And every tree on the farm will get fertilizer every spring. At least this granular fertilizer, and then we come back with some foliar stuff, liquid fertilizer I should say. But this is what it is, and it's a very simple process. These little Kubotas, if you've been watching the channel, you've seen these before. They're real narrow, and we have them outfitted with wheel guards here so they can go between the rows of the trees without damaging the trees. And this is a Vicon Spreader, so this is a little different than your typical spinner spreader. They have a special snout on the bottom, and that wags back and forth, and it will just put the fertilizer in what we call the bands that the trees are planted in, so it doesn't fertilize the whole row. So we're not wasting fertilizer, we're putting it right on our bands of trees. And Jeff is coming back here with the tractor, so I'll show you, I'll let you see him go down the row and you'll get a better idea what I'm talking about here. So you can kind of see how that just wig-wags and it puts the fertilizer right where we want it. The camera picks that up. You can see the little pellets of fertilizer right here in the row of trees. And that's it. That's simple. That's what we do all day. Sling 50-pound bags of fertilizer into the hoppers, spread them out, and just cover some ground. We can really get quite a bit done in a day running 2 spreaders like this. If we have the extra manpower, having a guy cutting the bags open and dumping them in, we can really make some time. But yeah, I thought you guys might find it interesting. Everybody thinks you just stick these trees in the ground and they just grow, but just like every other crop, it takes some inputs and takes some care to make them grow the way we want them. The other reason I picked to do this video up here is one of my favorite spots in the farm. Camera does not do it justice. This is about our highest point, and it's just beautiful. Rolling hills and mountainside everywhere you look. And it's just a really nice area. You're looking at the Blue Mountain. Down over there is the Blue Mountain, the Lehigh Gap, if you're local and familiar. So just a quick short little video, nothing fancy. I just thought you guys might want to come along here on a nice day and see what we're up to. So I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.